I hear you. Some popcorn. There you go.
I think this will give you enough sense now. Ooh, a beer. Cool. Cool, a beer.
Like goofball. Okay. There's that. And then through here, this is master bedroom, which is huge, huge. And here is a closet. Let me see if I can turn the light on. Okay. This closet comes here. And it turns and it goes way down there. With another door. Oh, look at that. Back into the master bedroom. But I'm gonna go this way. And the master bedroom. Here is the bathroom. Let me turn on the light. Turn off the fan. There's one Sinky Winky. There's two Sinky Winkies, I like that. And there's a bathtub, which I don't like. But there's a big old mirror there, like that. Nice linen closet. Here's the shower, right across from, you can see it better there. So there's that, and then here is where the commode is, nice and tucked away. Nice. Okay.